to fill up a midnight with the sky full of stars. If I could sing, my songs would heal like Aretha's Doctor and Stephanie's I Feel Good all over. Same song would heal like the Aquaman himself. Don't need to touch you, just need herbs off the shelf. Wait a minute, what? Just need to touch you, don't need herbs off the shelf. If I could sing, my voice would be the cure the AMA couldn't patent. Wrap bandages around your wounds like Ella or Sassy when they scatter. My voice would echo album covers filled with Dreamtime melodies and heal you like James Brown when singing, please, please,
Oh,
please.
great.
If I could sing, my songs would feed the world. Serve you syncopation on silver platters, sprinkled with Phyllis, Diane Reeves a la carte. Price up and next time your choice of enclave, tossed with Horace Silver, garnished with Andy Bay. Dessert would be sweet, like Luther or Nancy. If I could sing, I would sound like White Tribble, an oasis in the middle of your mirage that wets whistles and lips and the dry bones of our histories. If I could sing, I would sound like dreams forming in new minds and memories of divinity. If I could sing, hearts would need no strings, hair would need tweezers, no plucking would be allowed.
Oh, great.
If I could sing, I wouldn't need no Grammy, and American music could keep their awards. If I could sing, I would hold you like the whole notes by Simon Roman Kirk wouldn't let go. If I could sing, I would sing our people awake, our children into safety, our men into honor, ourselves into our rightful place among the women who created worlds with just the mention of their names. If I could sing, I would sound like my truth, and the world would say,